So on this chart I have a list of the verbs, the action words, and I am supposed to fill in the blanks with the correct or the appropriate verb. So let us read what are the verbs. So the first verb is washed, played, climbed, hiked, read, solved, dove, slept, examined, sang, found, listened. So let us read the action words or the verbs once more. Washed, played, climbed, hiked, read, solved, dove, slept, examined, sang, found, listened. So these are the action words. So now I have to fill in the blanks. I'll read the sentence and have to fill in the correct verbs in the blanks. So the first one, Isabel dashed the song beautifully. So what do you do with a song? You sing. So Isabel sang the song beautifully. So I write the word sang, S-A-N-G. So Isabel sang the song beautifully, and I mark this word. The next sentence I have, we dash the mystery of the missing cookie. So normally a mystery, we always solve a mystery. So I write the word solved. So we solved the mystery. So we solved the mystery of the missing cookie. So the word solved. In the next sentence we have, Mike dashed the trail from the beginning to end. So a trail is a pathway, so we have to check. So Mike dashed the trail from the beginning to end. So Mike examined the trail, or Mike read the trail, or Mike. So we have the words washed, played, climbed, hiked, read, dove, slept, examined, found, and listened. So we have the word examine the trail from the beginning to end, to end. So the word examined. So we write the word examined. The next sentence is, Marcus was very tired after he dashed to the peak of the mountain. So we have to climb the mountains. So I mark the word climbed. So Marcus was very tired after he climbed to the peak of the mountain. Climbed. The next sentence is, the doctor dash his patient quickly. So when you go to an hospital, the doctor examines to check if there is any illness or sickness. So the doctor examined his patient quickly. So the word examined. So I mark the word examined. The next, the children dash at the playground. So the children played at the playground. So the word played. So we have the word played. The next sentence, Mom dashed my football uniform last night. So Mom washed my football uniform last night. So the word washed. The next sentence, the girls dashed to the concert intently. So the girls listened to the concert intently. So the word listened. The next sentence, I dashed that book last week. So I read that book last week. So the word read. And the last one, the dog dashed peacefully through a ruckus, through a noise. So the dog slept peacefully through a noise. So the dog slept. What? Slept. So we see what are the words. So Isabel sang the song beautifully. So the word sang is the verb. We solved the mystery of the missing cookie. So solved is the verb. Mike examined the trail from the beginning to end. So examined is the verb. Marcus was very tired after he climbed to the peak of the mountain. So climbed becomes the verb. The doctor examined his patient quickly. So examined is the action word done by the doctor. The children played at the playground. So play is an action word. Mom washed my football uniform last night. So washed is the action being done by mom. The girls listened to the concert intently. So listened is the action word. I read that book last week. So read is the action being done by me. The dog slept peacefully through a ruckus. So slept becomes the action done by the dog.